I hope I am audible. So, hello everyone. My name is Abhishek Pandey. I'm a Prime Minister Research Fellow in the discipline of Mathematics at IIT Bhubaneswar. Today we are going to talk about week 6 assignment of multivariate calculus course. So first let us start. So first I will recall some basic properties of gamma and beta functions. So this we already discussed in the last assignment. So gamma of x is basically defined as integral 0 to infinity t to the power x minus 1 e to the power minus t dt. X is positive. Some of the properties are x and gamma of 1 by 2 is root over pi, and gamma of x into gamma of x plus 1 by 2 is basically equals to root over pi 2 to the power 2x minus 1 gamma of 2x. Okay, so this is some property of gamma function, and I will mention some other properties of beta function. Okay, so beta of x comma y is defined as integral 0 to 1 t to the power x minus 1 1 minus t to the power y minus 1 t. X is positive and y is positive. Okay, some of the properties are, so some of the, this is kind of symmetric property. Beta of x comma y equals to beta of y comma x. So basically you put hint is you put u equals to 1 minus t in the definition. Okay, second property is beta of x comma y is equals to gamma of x. There is the relation between, this gives the relation between gamma and beta. So the important result I am going to mention is, so one of the result is this we will use. So integral a to b, let us say t minus a to the power x minus 1 b minus t to the power y minus 1 dt is basically equals to b minus a x plus y minus 1 beta of x comma y. Okay, where x is positive comma y is positive. Okay, so basically what we need to do is just put t is equals to u minus a, sorry, t is okay, just put u is equals to t minus a upon b minus a in the definition beta functions. Okay, so we'll move towards the first question, assignment questions. So the first question is, what is the value of this integral? I is equals to minus 2 comma 2 x plus 2 to the power 1 by 2 and 2 minus x to the power 1 by 2 x. Okay, let us look at the solutions. So if you compare this with this one, this thing, if you want to compare with this one, so here your a is minus 2, b is 2, okay, your x is 3 by 2 and your y is again 3 by 2. So this will be equals to, this will be equal to, and your t is basically x here. Okay, so this will be basically equals to, so this will be b minus a to the power x plus y minus 1. So b minus a will be 4, x plus y minus 1. So this will be 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 1. This will be 2, 4, 4 square into beta of x comma y. X is your 3 by 2, y is 3 by 2. So this is 16, and beta of 3 by 3 comma 2 comma 3 comma 2. So this will, again we will use the relation between beta and gamma. So this will equals to gamma of 3 by 2, gamma of 3 by 2 upon gamma of 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. Okay, this will give you, so this is again 1 by 2 gamma of 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 gamma of 1 by 2, and this is again gamma of 4. Okay, so here this is not 1, so this is gamma 3. Okay, so this you will get 16 by 2, this is again 1 by 4 into root over pi into root over pi, this will be pi. So this total will come 2 pi. So this is your answer. Okay, so basically we have used this result and the properties and the relation between gamma and beta functions. Okay, okay, so now the next question is, before going to solve the next question, we need one result which is known as Dirichlet integral theorem. So it says that, let me first write it, Dirichlet's integral theorem. Okay. So this says that this integral over this region x to the power L minus 1, y to the power m minus 1, z to the power n minus 1, dx, dy, dz is basically equals to gamma L, gamma m, gamma n upon gamma m plus n plus L plus 1, where L is positive, m is positive, n is positive, and where V is the region, x is positive, y is positive, z is positive, and x plus y plus z is less than equals to 1. Okay, so to get this result, hint is just you need to see the limits. So limit of z is from 0 to 1 minus x minus y. Limit is y is from 0 to 1 minus x, and limit of x is from 0 to 1. Okay, okay, fine. So now using this we will solve assignment questions. So question 2 is, so find the value of the following integral, where I is triple integral r x square y square z square dx dy dz. Okay, where r is equals to x comma y comma z belongs to R3 such that x is positive, y is positive, z is, so these are non-negative, is y square plus z square less than equals to 1. So let us look at the solution. So to solve this, if you want to use the Dirichlet integral theorem, hello, yeah. To solve this, uh, if you want to use the Dirichlet integral theorem, we need to convert this in the standard form. Okay. So for this, what we will do is let x square equals to x, y square equals to x, sorry, z square equals to z, this y square is y. Okay. So now this will become, your r will become x, y, z belongs to R3 such that x is non-negative, y is non-negative, z is non-negative, and x plus y plus z is less than equals to 1. Okay. So since your x square is equals to x, y square is equals to capital Y, z square equals to capital Z, so dx will be dx by 2 root over x, dy will be dy by 2 root over y, and dz will become dz 2 root over z. Okay. So the integral I becomes 1 by 8 x plus y plus z less than equals to 1 x y z upon root over x y z dx dy dz. Okay, which is nothing but 1 by 8 integral x plus y plus z is less than equals to 1 x to the power 1 by 2 y to the power 1 by 2 z to the power 1 by 2 dx dy dz. Okay, so now this is the standard form. So if you compare this one with this one, L minus 1, M minus 1, and N minus 1, so this is nothing but L is equals to 3 by 2 equals to M equals to, okay. So this will become, so this integral will become, okay. So this I will become, okay. So this I will become gamma of 3 by 2, gamma of 3 by 2, gamma of 3 by 2 upon this. So 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. Okay. So this will again become, sorry, 1 by 8 is also there. Okay. So this will become, so this is 1 by 2 root over pi, 1 by 2 root over pi, and 1 by 2 root over pi upon, this is nothing but, so this is basically, so this will be gamma of 11 by 2, so this will be 9 by 2 gamma of 9 by 2. Okay, and 1 by 8 is also there. So once you calculate this one, you will get pi by 1890. This is your answer. Okay. So I hope this one is clear. Okay. So question number 3. So question number 3 is, if integral over r x to the power alpha minus 1, y to the power beta minus 1, and z to the power gamma minus 1, dx, dy, dz equals to pi, where r is equals to x comma y comma z belongs to R3. X is non-negative, y is non-negative, and z is also non-negative. X square plus y square plus z square equals to 4. Okay, then we need to find the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Then alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to, we need to check what is the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Okay, so the options are 3, second option is 4, third option is 5, fourth option is 6. So let us look at the solutions. So in this one also we want to use the Dirichlet integral theorem. So for that, if you see here, x square plus y square plus z square equals to 4, we can write it as x by 2 square plus y by 2 square plus z by 2 square is equals to 1. Okay, and this we can now replace as x, y by 2 as y, and z by 2 is capital Z. Okay, so now this will become 2 dx, dy will become 2 dy, and dz becomes 2 dz. Okay, so here we are going to use the Dirichlet integral formula. So now x plus y plus z is equals to 1. Okay, now this integral, I, which is equals to r x to the power alpha minus 1, y to the power beta minus 1, z to the power gamma minus 1, dx dy dz, this will become, so x plus y plus z is equals to 1. Now x we have taken 2x, y is equals to 2y, and z is equals to 2z. Okay, so this will become 2 to the power alpha minus 1, x to the power alpha minus 1, 2 to the power beta minus 1, y to the power beta minus 1, 2 to the power gamma minus 1, z to the power gamma minus 1. Okay, and your dx is nothing but 2 dx, so this will be a dx dy dz. Okay, so this will be 2 to the power alpha plus beta plus gamma, and this 2 to the power minus 3 will be cancelled out by 8. Okay, so this is x plus y plus z is equals to 1. This is x to the power alpha minus 1, y to the power beta minus 1, z to the power gamma minus 1, dx dy dz. Okay, and this is nothing but gamma, and this thing by Dirichlet integral theorem, this will become gamma gamma of alpha, gamma of beta, gamma of gamma upon alpha plus beta plus gamma plus 1, and this is nothing but equals to 5. Okay, now we need to check for which values of alpha beta gamma this equation satisfies. Okay, so if you take alpha, if you take if you take if you take if you take alpha is equals to This pencil is not working. If you take alpha is equals to 1, beta is equals to 1, so if you take alpha equals to 1, beta is equals to 1, and gamma equals to 2. Let us see what we will get. So this will be 4, 2 to the power 4. So this will be 2 to the power 4, and this will be 1, 1, 2 upon, this will be gamma of 5. Okay, I don't think this will work. So here we need to check something else. So this will be 3. Wait a minute. So this is 2 to the power alpha minus 1. So this is alpha minus 1. Let me check the question again. Oh wait, yeah, here we did the mistake. So to compare with this one, this Dirichlet integral formula, we need, yeah, so we need to choose x by 2 whole square is equals to x. Okay, y by 2 whole square is equals to y, and z by 2 whole square is equals to z. Now what we will get is, no, so 2 x by 2 dx is equals to dx. So this is basically dx is equals to dx by, so 2 root over x. Similarly, dy by dy upon 2 root over y, and dz is dz by 2 root over z. Okay, So here it will come, all these things will get. Okay, so here I is now, so x to the power alpha minus 1. So here x is nothing but x is nothing but root over x into 4. 4 into root over x. So this will be 4 to the power alpha minus 1 x to the power alpha minus 1 by 2. Okay. I hope this is clear. So this is, with this one you will get that x plus y plus z is equals to 1. Okay, so x is 2 root over x, so here your x is 2 root over x, y is 2 into root over y, and z is 2 root over z. Okay, okay, so this you will get are x to the power alpha minus, so 2 to the power alpha minus 1 x to the power alpha minus 1 by 2 into 2 to the power beta minus 1 y to the power beta minus 1 by 2 and 2 to the power gamma minus 1 z to the power gamma minus 1 by 2, and dx dy dz is nothing but 8. So this will be dx dy dz 8 root over x y and z. Okay, so this you will get as 2 to the power alpha plus beta plus gamma, and this will be minus 6 into, so this will now, this is nothing but, this is capital X plus Y plus Z is equals to 1. So capital X plus Y plus Z is equals to 1, and this is now this is the capital X, capital Y, capital Z. Okay, so this will become now x to the power alpha by 2. Now this is alpha by 2 minus 1 by 2, and here, so this is alpha by 2, so this is alpha by 2 minus 1 by 2, and this is x to the power 1 by 2. Then if this goes above, this will be alpha by 2 minus 1. Okay, so this is alpha by 2 minus 1, y to the power alpha by beta by 2, beta by 2 minus 1, z to the power gamma by 2 minus 1. Okay, and this will become dx dy dz. Okay, and this is again 2 to the power alpha plus beta plus gamma minus 6. Okay, and this will become gamma of alpha by 2 beta of alpha by 2 gamma by 2, Yeah. Anything, Karthik? Hello, am I audible? Okay, and this is now alpha by 2 plus beta by 2 plus gamma by 2 plus 1. Okay, let us first see whether this one is correct or not. This will be nothing but x is equals to 2 root over x, y is equals to, here x is equals to 2 root over x, y equals to 2 root over y, z is equals to 2 root over z. So this will be dx is equals to, so dx is equals to, wait, I think here I have done some mistake. Okay. So x is equals to 2 root over x, so this will be 2 x by 2 dx is equals to, okay, so this is 2, so x is equals to 2 root over x, so this will be dx is equals to 2 into 1 by root x, 2 root x dx. Okay, so 2, oh, yeah, so here's some mistake. So this 2 will not be here. Okay, so this 2 is not here. You can check the this one. So this 8 will not come here. Okay, so this is 3. Okay, so 3, and so this will be by 8. Okay, now this should be equals to pi. Okay, so if you put alpha is equals to 1, beta is equals to 1, and gamma equals to 2. Okay, so this will become, so this quantity we need to check, this one. Okay, so this will become 2 to the power, so 2 to the power 4 by 8, and this will become 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and 1 upon, this will be 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 2, so this will be gamma 3. Okay, so this will be 2 into pi upon 2, so this will be pi. Okay, so this will work, alpha plus alpha equals to 1, beta equals to 1, gamma equals to 2, so this implies alpha plus beta plus gamma is nothing but 4. Okay, so your answer for this question is 4, means this option is correct. I hope this is clear. So basically we have used only this thing, Dirichlet integral theorem. Is it clear to everyone? Rajesh, is it clear to you? Hello? Okay, let us move to the next question. Question number 4. Okay, so we need to find the value of the triple integral r x y z square dx dy dz. Okay, where r is nothing but x comma y comma z belongs to R3, such that X is non-negative, y is non-negative, z is non-negative, and x square plus y square plus z square is less than equals to 3. Again we will use the Dirichlet integral theorem. So what we are going to do is x by root 3 whole square plus y by root 3 whole square plus z by root 3 whole square is less than equals to 1. Okay, so here what we will do, the transformation is x by root 3 whole square is equals to x, y by root 3 whole square is equals to y, and z by root 3 whole square is basically equals to z. Okay, so here your x is root over 3 into root over x, so dx is nothing but root over 3 by 2 root over x dx. I hope this is clear. And y is equals to root over 3 root over y, so dy root over 3 by 2 root over y dy, and z is equals to root over 3 root over z, so dz is equals to root over 3 by 2 dz by root over z. Okay, so this integral will become, so let us write it from the next page. So integral I is over region R x y z square dx dy dz. So this integral will become x plus y plus z is less than equals to 1. Now x y z square, what is your x? X is root over 3 into root over x, y is root over 3 into root over y, z is root over 3 into root over z, and z square will be 3 into z. Okay, dx will be root over 3 by 2 dx by root over x, dy will be root over 3 by 2 dy by root over y, root over, and dz is root over 3 by 2 dz by root over z. Okay, so this thing will become, so x plus y plus z is less than equals to 1. This is nothing but now 3, this will get cancelled. Okay, so 1 by 8, okay, and this thing is root, so this will get cancelled by this one, this will get cancelled by this one. Okay, this I have captured here, and the only thing is, so this is 3. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Rajesh.
Sorry to disturb you, sir.
Yeah, please.
In the exam, okay, the question is given by x squared, y squared, z squared,
Huh?
and it is given by here is x squared plus y squared plus z squared is equal to root 27. I'm sorry, 27, sir.
What is given? X square plus y square plus z square is
Not x squared equal to 27.
27. Yeah.
Yes, sir. And in the question,
Hmm.
triple integral over the region R, x squared, y squared, z squared.
Okay, so then what you have to do is you have to take x by
Yes, yes,
root over
we
27.
proceed. Yes, sir. I think okay, we did everything, but the answer option is not available. I marked 243 by 8 because of I have chosen that the xy is z and the x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 9. I assuming that then I got okay 243 by 8. I got that answer.
Okay, then might be some. Uh,
In the exam, okay, I lose 1 mark.
oh, okay. I will check that and let you know, because
Yes, sir.
uh,
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
because whatever the question you are talking about, that question is for this year, isn't it?
Uh, yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
Assignment.
I am doing this assignment of previous year questions. So I will see and let you know. Okay.
Oh, oh, oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
these are the questions from the previous year assignment.
Previous assignment, assignment number 7, sir. I am talking about assignment number 7.
Yeah, yeah, that I will see and let you know, because we are not allowed to discuss
And
this year assignment.
oh, oh, okay, okay.
Okay.
But okay, I think okay, in the answer okay, which is not available.
Okay, okay, I will check that one. This year assignment I will check,
Okay,
and
okay.
yeah.
Thank you,
Please,
thank you.
okay.
Sorry to interrupt you, sir.
Ah, no problem. No problem.
Okay, thank you. Carry on, sir.
Okay. So, so this thing will become now. So this thing with 3, and this is 9, and this is again 3, 27. So 27 root 3. So this will come 27 root 3 and root over z dx dy dz. I hope this is correct. If any calculation mistake is there, then please let me know. Is it okay? So this is nothing but so this is 3 1 by 2. Okay, so this is nothing but 8 into 27 root 3 x plus y plus z is less than equals to 1. You can write x to the power 1 minus 1, y to the power, and z to the power 3 by 2 minus 1. Okay. Now by Dirichlet integral theorem, this will be 27 root 3 by 8. This is gamma of 1, gamma of 1, gamma of 3 by 2, and gamma of 3 plus 3 by 2. So this is 36, 9 by 2. So this will be 9 by 2. Okay. Now this will be 27 root 3 by 8, and this will be 1 by 2 gamma of 1 by 2, and this will be 7 by 2 into, so this will be 7 by 2 into gamma of 7 by 2, then gamma 7 by 2 you can write 5 by 2 and gamma 5 by 2, then this is 3 by 2 gamma of 3 by 2, this you can write, so gamma of 3 by 2, here already it is there, gamma of 3 by 2. Okay, so this thing will get cancelled, and this you will get 27 root 3 upon 3 into 5 into 7. Okay, so this will be 9. Okay, so 9 root 3 upon 35. This is your answer. Okay, fine. Okay, so the next thing is, next, first we need to talk about some basic facts about double integral and triple integral. So let us write it as applications of double and triple integral. integral. Okay, so the first thing what we're going to talk is, okay, so we know that this r dx dy, this is what, this is basically area of the region R, isn't it? Okay. Now, if z is equals to f of x comma y is a surface, then this thing double integral f of x comma y dx dy. What is this over this region R? Where R is this surface? Okay. What is this? This is nothing but volume of the region beneath the surface z is equals to f of xy and above the xy plane. Okay. Okay, this is the third. Now the third thing is, if your f of x comma y is basically the density, okay, is a density function that is, what is density function? It is the basically gives the mass per unit area, per unit area, okay, of a distribution of mass function, of a mass function in xy plane. Then what is the mass of R? So this m is equals to R f of x comma y dx dy gives the mass of R. Okay, let us see the fourth one. So if f of x comma y is equals to rho of x comma y is a density function, then so the coordinate of center of gravity, okay, then center of gravity or mass, center of, yeah, gravity, let us say x bar comma y bar of the mass m of R is basically given by, so your x bar is nothing but 1 by m double integral over R s of x of fxy dx dy, and your y bar is nothing but 1 by m double integral over R y fxy dx dy. Okay. Now the fifth thing is, this is related to the moment of inertia. So if f of x comma y is equals to rho of x comma y is a density function, then so your this integral ix is equals to y square f of x comma y dx dy over R. So this is nothing but This integral is nothing but moment. So I will write moment of inertia as MOI. MOI, moment of inertia of the mass in R about x-axis. Okay, and this integral I of y r x square f of xy dx dy. This is moment of inertia of the mass in R about the y-axis. Okay, I hope this is clear. So these are basically the properties of double integral, what it says in which case. So if you look at this integral, so y minus b whole square f of x comma y dx dy, and iy which is denoted by x minus a this gives moment of wait a minute, I think this is not charged. Just wait a minute. Gives so this gives moment of inertia of the mass in R about the lines x is equals to a and y equals to b respectively. Okay, similarly the triple integral so, the mass of a region omega is given by the triple integral so this is your mass, this is equals to rho of x comma y comma z dx dy. So this is basically a density function. Okay, and so the center of gravity, so center of gravity slash mass x bar, y bar and z bar. So this is basically x bar is equals to 1 by m v x rho of x y z dx dy dz, y is equals to 1 by m y rho of x y z dx dy dz, and similarly the z coordinate is v z rho of x y z dx dy dz. Okay, now we'll solve the assignment problems. So the question number 5 is the area bounded by parabolas y square equals to 3 minus x and y square equals to 3 minus 3x with assuming a mass density of rho x comma y is equals to y square is, we have to find it. So solution is, so basically the area will become rho of x comma y dx dy. Okay, so now we need to put the limit. So here let us see, so the limit of x will be from so this will be 1 minus y square by 3 to 3 minus y square, and limit of y is minus root 3 to 3 y square dx dy. Calculating this is easy. You will get 8 root 3 by 5. So the answer is 8 root 3 by 5. Okay. Now the next assignment question is question number 6. So question number 6 is the x coordinate. The x coordinate of the center of gravity of a bounded solid of the cube bounded by, so x is, y is this one and z is this one, with density, so rho of x y z is 1 plus x y z. Okay, is, so we need to find the x coordinate. So I've written the formula for this one. So the x coordinate is 1 by m. So the x coordinate will be 1 by m, this triple integral over v, x of rho of xyz, which is 1 plus z dx dy dz. Okay, but for that we need to find the mass. Okay, and the mass is triple integral rho of xyz dx dy dz. Okay, so how to get this one? So the mass will be, so limit of xyz is 1 and mass is 1 plus xyz dx dy dz, which you will get 9 by 8. So x bar is nothing but 8 by 9 integral over 0 to 1 0 to 1 0 to 1 x plus x square yz dx dy dz, and after this, after calculating this, you will get 14 by 27. Okay. So just based on the formula. Okay. Question number 7. So question number 7. Okay, so the question is, this is something else, the length of the arc of the curve x is equals to e to the power t cos t, y equals to e to the power t sin t, and t 0 to 4. Okay, so we know the formula of the length. So length will be, so the length, so this length will be integral 0 to 4, okay, dx by dt whole square plus dy by dt whole square root over dt. Okay, so this is nothing but integral 0 to 4, dx by dt is nothing but e to the power t cos t plus, so to the minus e to the power t sin t whole square plus e to the power t cos t plus e to the power t sin t whole square and dt. Okay, this will be, so this will be integral 0 to 4, so this will become, so e to the power 2t cos square t plus e to the power 2t sin square t minus 2 e to the power 2t cos t sin t plus again e to the power 2t cos square t plus e to the power 2t sin square t plus 2 e to the power 2t sin t cos t. Okay, and dt. Okay, so this will give you, this will get cancelled out, this term and this term, this term and this term. Okay, and if you take, this will be sin square t plus cos square t 1, and this will be sin square t plus cos, this sin square t 1, this is 1, so you will get 2 e to the power 2t, so this is 2 e to the power 2t dt. Okay, so this will be 2 by 2 e to the power 2t 0 to 4, so this will be e to the power 8 and this is root over, so this is 2, so where is it, 2, sorry, so this you will get integral 0 to 4 under root 2 e to the power 2t dt, so you will get root over 2 0 to 4 e to the power t dt, so this is root 2 e to the power 4 minus 1, so this is your answer. Okay, let us look at the next question. So this is question number 8. So this we need to find the directional derivative. So we need to find the directional derivative. So the directional derivative of f of x y z is equals to 3xy plus 5z square at point 5 1 minus 1 in the direction of a vector making an angle pi by 4 with gradient of f of 5 1 minus 1 is, so this we need to check, calculate. Okay, so first let us see what is this one. Okay, so this is nothing but del by del x of okay, so this is nothing but you have to respect difference with respect to uh, x first. So this will be 3y I cap plus 3x j cap plus 10 z k cap. Okay, at the point 5 1 and minus 1, so this you will get 3 plus 3i cap plus 15j cap minus 10k cap. Okay, so the directional derivative, we already know that directional derivative in the direction u at the point, this is nothing but and making an angle 5 1 and minus 1 into cos theta. Okay, so this basically this theta is the angle. Okay, so this will become now norm of this one, so this will be 9 plus 225 plus 100 into cos theta. Okay, and theta is equals to basically pi by 4, so this is nothing but, so cos pi by 4, this should be cos pi by 4, so this is cos pi by 4, which is equals to 1 by root 2, so this will be under root 334 by root 2, so this will be 1 root over 167. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, the next question is, let us look at the question number 9. Okay, so question number 9 is the maximum value of the directional derivative of f of x y z is equals to e to the power z root over xy at the point 2 to 4 is, we need to find it out. Solution is,
study material
sorry,
study material
what sedimentary,
sir.
can you speak in English? I don't know what you're saying. Yes, Karthik.
Study material send.
So a study material is available on the website, isn't it?
Sir?
A study material is available on the website of this course.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you can find it there. Okay.
And reference book.
Reference book is also written there. In the description, reference book is given. You can find it there. Okay. Okay. So for this one, we already know the maximum value will be del f at point P. We have to find this one. Okay. This is the maximum value. So first let us find this one. So this is nothing but, so e to the power z root over xy. So this will be del by del x e to the power z root over xy I cap plus del by del y e to the power z root over xy j cap plus del by del z e to the power z root over xy k cap. Okay. So this you will get e to the power z root over y upon 2 root over x I cap plus, respect to y del, so this will be e to the power z root over x upon 2 root over y j cap plus root over xy k cap. Okay, so this we need to find at the point 2 to 4. So at the point 2 to 4 it is e to the power 4 root over 2 by 2 root over 2 plus e to the power 4 root over 2 by 2 root over 2 plus root over 4. Okay, I cap j cap k cap. So this is at the point P. So this is nothing but e to the power 4 by 2 plus e to the power 4 by 2 plus 2 j cap k cap. This is nothing but so e to the power. Okay, so now this modulus del f at p is basically now e to the power 4 by 2 whole square plus e to the power 4 by 2 whole square plus 4. Okay, so this is nothing but, so this is 8 by 4 plus e to the power 8 by 4 plus 4. Okay, I hope this is correct. Question number 9 is z root over xy. So this is del of p z. So into this will be root over x into root over y plus e to the power z. Oh sorry, this would be e to the power z also. and this will be e to the power 4. So 2 e to the power 4. Okay, so 4, 2 e to the power 4, so e to the power 8. Okay, under root. So this will be e to the power 4 under root 17 by 4. Okay, I think so. 460. No, sorry. So this is nothing but so this is 18 by 4, which is nothing but, so this is 3 e to the power 4 by root 2. This is your answer. Okay. Now the next last question is question number 10. Again, you need to find the maximum value only. So 10. Question number 10 is, so the greatest possible value of the directional derivative of f of x y z of log of x square plus y square plus z square at the point 1 1 1 is equal to this. We need to find it out. Okay, the solution is, again we need to find this thing, del of f at point 1 1 1. Okay, and this modulus. Okay, so for that, so del by del x of this one, so this will be 2x upon x square plus y square plus z square I cap plus 2y upon x square plus y square plus z square j cap plus 2z upon x square plus y square plus z square k cap. Okay, and at the point this one it will be 2 upon 3 I cap plus 2 upon 3 j cap plus 2 upon 3 k cap. Okay, so the modulus will be, so this one is 4 by 9 plus 4 by 9 plus 4 by 9. So this will be, so this will be 2 by root 3, isn't it? Okay, so this is your answer. So here we have completed the week 6 assignment. So I'm closing this session. We'll meet in the next live session with week 7 assignment. Thank you.